Good morning, children. In English, let's continue with our chapter, The Four Seasons. So, hope you all have read the chapter. Read the chapter 2 times, and once you feel that you are fluent, record that and upload the audio in Teams. So, now let's move on to our reading comprehension. You can open your text, page number 65. So, first let's look at reading comprehension. Write T for true and F for false for these sentences. So you can see some sentences have been given, and if you have read the chapter, it will be easy for you to note down whether it is true or false. So now let's look at the sentences. The first sentence, all the seasons agreed that summer was the best. Is it true or false? The second one, lovely flowers bloom in spring. Third question, autumn felt it was the best. Fourth one, summer felt winter was not cold enough. 5. Winter and summer did not like each other. And the sixth one, the seasons became friends again. So we have to write true or false. Pause the video and write true or false. And once you have done, you can come back. So hope you have done it. Now let's check our answers. The first question, all the seasons agreed that summer was the best. Is it true or false? That sentence is false. So write down false. The second one, lovely flowers bloom in spring, and that is true. Third one, autumn felt it was the best. So the third one, true. Fourth, summer felt winter was not cold enough. 4, it is false. 5, winter and summer did not like each other. So that sentence is true. And the last one, the season became friends again. That is true. Now let's move on to our next exercise. Fill in the blanks. Use the words given in the box. So you can see some words are given in the box, and with these words we have to fill the sentences. So let's look at the words first. We have warm, united, sunshine, proud, grains and swimming. So with these words we have to fill the sentences. Now let's look at the sentences. The first sentence, in summers people enjoy dash. Second, winter felt summer was too dash. Third, summer felt winter was not dash enough. Fourth, the beautiful dash that summer brings helps dash to grow. And the fifth one, the seasons decided to be dash. So now let's look at the answers. The first one, in summers people enjoy swimming. Second, winter felt summer was too proud. So write down proud in the second one. Third, summer felt winter was not warm enough. Fourth one, the beautiful dash that summer brings, the beautiful sunshine that summer brings help the grains to grow. Fifth, the seasons decided to be united. Now answer these questions. So for this you can write down in your notebook. So take your notebook, take a new page and write down the heading, the 4 seasons, and answer these questions. So now let's look at the first question. Why did the 4 seasons have a quarrel? So write down the question. Why did the 4 seasons have a quarrel? And what is the answer? The 4 seasons had a quarrel about who was the best. Second question. What happens in autumn? And the answer, in autumn trees shed their leaves and some leaves change color. Moving on to the third question. How did spring end the quarrel? The answer, spring told winter and summer that both are equally important for all living things. Fourth one, what did the seasons finally decide? In the end, all the seasons decided that they are all important and the best in their own ways. Now the fifth question. According to you, which is the best season and why? So, according to you, which season do you feel the best and the reason? So you can write it in your notebook. according to your wish. Now let's look at the next grammar, values and life skills. Self-awareness, critical thinking. The seasons learned an important lesson that they should stay united. Do you think it's important for us to be united? Why? So united means we have to stay together. So do you think staying together is nice or fighting with each other is nice? Yes, we have to stay united. And we also have learned a story about unity is strength. So we always have to stay united. We have to help each other, and when we are in need, we also will be getting help from others. So it's important that we stay united and never fight with others. So now let's move on to the next one, vocabulary. It's weather words. Read the clues and name the seasons. So some clues are given, and with that we have to name the seasons. The first one, it is very hot. So which season it's very hot? Second one, we use umbrellas. Third, we enjoy eating ice cream. Fourth, trees shed their leaves. Fifth, it's very cold and windy. Sixth one, flowers bloom. So with these clues, we have to identify which season it is. Now let's look at the answers. The first one, it's very hot, and that is summer. So write out there, summer. Second, we use umbrellas. We use umbrellas in the rainy season. So second one, rainy. Third, we enjoy eating ice cream, and that also we do in summer. Fourth, trees shed their leaves, and that is in autumn. Fifth one, it's very cold and windy. That is in the winter season. And sixth one, flowers bloom. Flowers bloom in the spring season. Now next one, find these weather words in the word grid. So you can see in page number 67, a grid is given and some words are given in the box. So first let's look at the words hot, warm, snow, cloudy, drizzle, windy, breeze, rain. These words are given and we have to find out this in the grid. So this is the grid in your textbook and you can find out the words. For example, you can see H-O-T becomes hot. In the same way, W-I-N-D-Y. So find out the word and circle it. So find out those words that are given in the box. So these are the answers that are in the grid. Now let's move on to the grammar. So what are adjectives? Words that describe a noun are called adjectives. So what is a noun? Noun is the name of people, places, animal or things. And some words are used to describe these nouns. Those describing words are called adjectives. Here you can see it's written beautiful girl, and we know girl is a noun. So how it is told? It is told that it's beautiful girl. So the girl is described as beautiful. So we can say that this beautiful is a describing word and that is an adjective. Clear sky. Here the sky is described as clear. So the word clear is the adjective. Small pencil. It's showing about the size of the pencil. It's said that it's a small pencil and we know pencil is a thing and it's a noun. It's said that it's a small pencil. So the word small is the adjective. Words for numbers, colors, size and shape are also adjectives. So these words are also used as adjectives. For example, green parrot. So the parrot is described as green. Green is a color. But here green is an adjective because it's told green parrot. So the parrot is described as green. So it's showing the color of the parrot. So the word green here is an adjective. Big ball. This is telling about the size of the ball. It's a big ball. So the word big is an adjective. One pencil. It's telling about the number of the pencil. One. So here the number one is the adjective. Words used to describe quality, color, size and shape are describing words are adjectives. Here you can see it is a bird. So bird is a noun, right? So here you can see a blue bird here. So how it is described, how we can describe a bird? It is a blue bird. So here the bird is described as blue bird. The blue is the color of the bird. So here the blue is the adjective. It is a small bird. So how the bird is described? With its size, it is told that it's a small bird. So it is a small bird. The word small is the adjective. They are apples. You can see some apples here. So they are apples. They are red apples. So how the apples are described? It's described with its color. They are red apples. So the word red here is the adjective. It is a table, and the table is a noun. The word table is a noun. It is a round table. Here how the word table is described? It's described with its shape. It is a round table. It is a black table. Here the table is described with its color. So the words round and black are adjectives. So hope you understood what are adjectives. Now in your textbook, page number 68. Look at the picture and fill in the blanks with the correct words given in the brackets. So you can see a picture here. You can see beautiful flowers, butterflies, clouds, trees, all in this picture. So looking at this picture, we have to fill. Let's look at the sentence. This is a dash pretty or ugly scene. Looking at the picture, we have to write whether it's pretty or ugly. Pretty means beautiful and ugly means that which is not beautiful. So looking at the picture, what you feel? This is a pretty scene or an ugly scene. Second one, there are dash white or black clouds in the sky. So looking in the picture, you can see whether there are white or black clouds. Third one, there are some green or red trees in the field. Fourth, the white or yellow daisies look pretty. Fifth one, the orange or blue centers of the daisies look bright. Sixth, the bright or dull butterflies are flying around. Now let's look at the answers. First one, this is a pretty scene. We know that this is a pretty scene, it's not an ugly scene. So write there pretty. There are white clouds in the sky. Third, there are some green trees in the field. Fourth, the yellow daisies look pretty. Fifth one, the orange centers of the daisies look bright. Sixth, the bright butterflies are flying around. So write down this in your textbook itself. Now let's move on to the next exercise, page number 69. Fill in the blanks, choose the correct adjectives from the box. In the box, some words are given: big, colorful, red, lovely, two, delicious, new, long. So with these words, we have to fill. Now let's look at the questions. I saw a dash elephant at the zoo. Second one, I have a dash ball. Third, the giraffe has a dash neck. Fourth one, the dash flowers are in the vase. Fifth, you are wearing a dash dress. Sixth, my father has dash brothers. 7, the children quickly finished the dash cake. 8, I have dash pencils in my pencil box. So with the adjectives, we have to fill this, and we learned size, color, number, quality, all are describing words. So with this, we have to write the fill in the blanks. So the first one, I saw a dash elephant in the zoo. I saw a big elephant in the zoo. Second, I have a red ball. Third, the giraffe has a long neck. Fourth one, the dash flowers are in the vase. The lovely flowers are in the vase. Fifth, you are wearing a colorful dress. Sixth, my father has 2 brothers. 7, the children quickly finished the delicious cake. 8th, I have new pencils in my pencil box. So that's all for today. Hope you understood what are adjectives. We'll be learning the rest of the exercises in the next class. Till then, thank you.